Join me as I take on the challenge to make $10,000 every month in 2025 using proven secrets that really work. Imagine having a steady income of $10,000 every month. No more financial stress. No more living paycheck to paycheck. Just pure financial freedom. But the question is, how do you achieve this goal? That's what we're going to explore today. Many of us struggle to make ends meet, living from one paycheck to the next. We're stuck in a vicious cycle of debt with no clear way out. The truth is, earning a substantial monthly income is a challenge that requires more than just hard work and dedication. It demands a solid strategy, a clear plan of action, and a willingness to take calculated risks. For most people, financial struggles are a constant source of stress and anxiety. They feel trapped, with no clear way to escape the cycle of poverty. They try various get-rich-quick schemes, only to end up disappointed and disillusioned. But what if I told you that there are proven strategies out there that can help you achieve your financial goals? The truth is, making $10,000 a month is not just a pipe dream. It's a realistic goal that can be achieved with the right approach. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. We'll dive into the world of online businesses, investments, and passive income streams that can help you reach your financial goals. One of the most effective ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. By partnering with reputable companies, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. It's a simple yet powerful way to generate a steady income stream. Another strategy is investing in dividend-paying stocks. By investing in high-quality stocks, you can earn a regular stream of income without having to actively work for it. Creating and selling online courses is another lucrative way to earn money. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create a course that teaches others how to achieve success. And with the rise of e-commerce, starting an online store is easier than ever before. You can sell physical or digital products and reach a global audience with minimal costs. But there's one strategy that stands out from the rest, a secret that can significantly increase your income and transform your financial life. It's the power of building a personal brand. By building a loyal following of fans and followers, you can create a steady stream of income through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products. Imagine having 1,000 true fans who are eager to buy from you, promote you, and support you every step of the way. It's a game changer, and it's exactly what I'll be sharing with you in future videos. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. So what's the key takeaway from today's video? It's simple. Making $10,000 a month is not just a dream. It's a realistic goal that can be achieved with the right strategy and mindset. By leveraging proven methods such as online businesses, investments, and passive income streams, you can create a steady stream of income that will transform your financial life. Join me as I take just $100 and challenge myself to see how much I can grow it through online investing. Investing online is something that I think is accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. It's not just for Wall Street moguls or high net worth individuals anymore. With the rise of online platforms and investment options, the barrier to entry has been significantly lowered. A common misconception that I've come across is that investing requires a lot of money. People think that you need thousands of dollars to start investing, and that's just not true. This misconception discourages a lot of people from even considering investing in the first place. They think it's only for the wealthy, and that they'll never be able to participate, but that's just not the case. This misconception is also perpetuated by the fact that a lot of financial advisors and brokers often have minimum balance requirements that can be quite high. This can be intimidating to someone who's just starting out, and it can make them feel like investing is out of their reach. But the truth is, there are plenty of online platforms and investment options that cater specifically to beginners, and they often have much lower minimum balance requirements. Another reason people think investing requires a lot of money is because they think they need to invest in individual stocks or high-risk investments. But that's not the only way to invest. There are plenty of low-risk investment options out there that can still provide a decent return, and they're accessible to anyone. So what are some of these online platforms and investment options that I'm talking about? Well, there are robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront that offer low-cost, diversified investment portfolios with minimum balance requirements as low as $100. There are also micro-investing apps like Acorns and Stash that allow you to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio. And then there are online brokerages like Fidelity and Schwab that offer low-cost trading and investment options with no minimum balance requirements. These are just a few examples, but there are many more options out there. And the best part is, you can start investing with as little as $100. That's a price that's accessible to just about anyone. Let me tell you about someone who started investing with just $100. Her name is Sophia, and she started investing in a robo-advisor about a year ago. She invested $100 a month, and through the power of compound interest, she was able to grow her portfolio to over $1,000 in just a year. Sophia's story is a great example of how anyone can start investing, regardless of their financial background. She didn't have a lot of money to start with, but she was consistent and patient, and it paid off. What I love about Sophia's story is that it's relatable. She's not a financial expert, and she didn't have a lot of money to invest. She's just a regular person who decided to take control of her finances and start investing. And that's exactly what I want to encourage you to do. So to recap, investing online is achievable and accessible to anyone, regardless of their financial background. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. And there are plenty of online platforms and investment options out there that can help you get started. Join me as I take on the challenge of building wealth that lasts for generations, and I'll share my journey and strategies along the way. Building wealth that lasts for generations is a crucial aspect of financial security and legacy. It's not just about accumulating wealth, but also about creating a lasting impact that benefits your loved ones and community for generations to come. One of the main reasons why wealth often doesn't last is due to a lack of financial education. When people don't understand how to manage their finances, they're more likely to make poor decisions that lead to financial instability. This lack of knowledge is often passed down to future generations, causing wealth to dissipate over time. Another common pitfall is the lack of planning, without a clear vision and strategy for building and maintaining wealth. It's easy to get caught up in short-term thinking and focus on quick gratification rather than long-term sustainability. Furthermore, many people struggle with the concept of delayed gratification. They prioritize immediate pleasure and comfort over long-term financial security, leading to a vicious cycle of debt and financial insecurity. Finally, the lack of discipline and accountability also plays a significant role in the dissipation of wealth. When individuals don't hold themselves accountable for their financial decisions, they're more likely to make reckless choices that undermine their long-term financial goals. When it comes to building lasting wealth, there are several strategies that can help. One key approach is to adopt a long-term investment mindset, focusing on assets that have a high potential for growth and income generation. This could include real estate, dividend-paying stocks, or even a small business venture. Another important strategy is to develop good saving habits. This involves creating a budget, prioritizing needs over wants, and allocating a portion of your income towards savings and investments. By doing so, you'll be able to build a financial safety net that can withstand unexpected expenses and market volatility. Teaching financial literacy to future generations is also critical. By instilling good financial habits and a sense of responsibility in your children or younger family members, you'll be empowering them to make informed decisions that will benefit them for years to come. Take, for example, the story of the Rothschild family. This wealthy and influential family has successfully maintained their wealth for over 2 centuries, thanks to their focus on long-term planning, strategic investments, and financial education. They've also placed a strong emphasis on preserving their family's values and legacy, ensuring that their wealth continues to benefit future generations. One of the key takeaways from the Rothschild family story is the importance of planning, education, and smart financial choices in creating wealth that endures. By adopting a similar mindset and approach, you can increase your chances of building lasting wealth that benefits your loved ones for generations to come. Before I sign off, I'd love to hear from you. What strategies have you found most effective in building wealth that lasts? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial tips and insights.